Hey, hey Erlinda. I hope you're fine. And I hope your grandmother and your sisters, Adriana, Margarita, and Selma, are okay fine. And I hope you're doing well too, Erlinda. And I hope you're taking care of yourself. And I hope you're being safe also. And everything will be okay, Erlinda. I hope you always stay positive mainly. And always trust yourself and believe yourself. And today it's Daughter's Day in India. Yeah, so I don't know how will you think this, Orlando, but I always feel sometimes that you are like a daughter to me. Like that little girl who is so innocent in my eyes, who who doesn't know sometimes what she who sometimes doesn't know what she's doing, and still she's so innocent. That little angel. I always thought of you. I see of you like a daughter, a little girl. I sometimes feel to just make you sit on me and feed you food so that you eat from my own hands. Not like not like a husband, not like a wife or anything, just like a father and a daughter. And sometimes I want to just make you sit on a swing so that I can push you from behind so that you can enjoy the swing. Hmm? And Ireland, I know that no matter what happens, I still care a lot about you, and I know that I will never change about this. At least I want you to let me care for you as a father to a daughter. I don't want anything else to come in between us. Hmm? I just want to take care of you my whole life, Erlinda. You're that little girl in my eyes. That small girl. No matter how much you grow, you're always a small girl for me, Erlinda. That's why I used to always call you small girl, little girl, and all. Sometimes I just want to take care of you my whole damn life. Just, just take care of you my whole damn life. You're a small girl, Erlinda. Your name, when I think of your name, it makes me feel so much happy. It makes me happy. It makes me remember a small girl. You know, that small girl who is so innocent. I love that part of you, Erlinda. I, I, I don't want you to love me or anything, Erlinda. It's not about that. More than emotion, that is like a daughter and a father. And today's Daughter's Day in India. And I want to wish you that, and I want to wish you, Erlinda, that you are the best ever person to ever come in anyone's life, and even in your family's life, and even in my life. Hmm? No matter, why I always feel that you're like a daughter to me, Erlinda. Because no matter what you do, I always see whatever you do is so positive, is so good. I don't know why, but I always see like that, Erlinda. No matter what you do, I always see you like that angel, like that goddess who does everything so good, even though sometimes it might not be good or bad. Yeah, so today is Daughter's Day in India. So I wanted to uh, tell you about it. And also and also I wanted to say about this, about the daughter long back, but I did not want to say. But I thought today was a good day to let you know about it. Sometimes I feel like I just want you to come on me so that I can hug you so tightly, Erlinda. uh, you might laugh at me, you might think I'm stupid or crazy. That's okay. I care a lot about you, and I still always will care, even if you don't care. I love. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I I still care a lot about you, Linda. You know, a lot of times, like even when you don't care about me, I care a lot about you. That's why I always feel that. That's why I always feel that I'm like a father to you because you're that small girl. Because like no matter what a daughter does, a father will always be happy. Will always be good for his daughter. Always, right? I want to. I I know I might not be like your real father, but I really feel that you're like my daughter, Erlinda. Though we have a 1 year gap, that's that's okay. I don't care. We always I always feel that now I always feel that now that we are like a daughter and a father. Hmm. Because no matter what happens, I will always keep caring about you. I can't stop myself, and I will not stop myself. I will not stop my feelings for you. It might not be love or something, but I care a lot about you, Linda. And little girl, I want to see from my own eyes you growing up, huh? Growing up, growing up, and being successful. Seeing you grow up every age. You are 18 now. Next year you'll be 19, right? I want to see that everything from your own eyes. And I also sometimes feel that when you sleep, I just want to pet your hair so that you can peacefully sleep without worrying about anything. You can always trust me in whatever you do, huh? Because I'll always want to be there for you, Linda. And I always want to support you, huh? And I love supporting you in everything you do. Because I love seeing you be good and be safe and be happier, Linda. You're a small angel in my life, Linda. And you create magic in anyone's life you go. That's what I love so much. I love your innocence a lot, little girl. And I don't mind if you don't think of me or if you don't like this daughter or father, but I will always treat you like my daughter because you're a small girl, Linda. Even if you become 22, 23, or even 40, you'll always be a small girl for me. Putte. So that's what I wanted to say this on all, Erlinda. Uh, Happy Daughter's Day to you. And I hope you always take care and stay positive and always be stronger even more, right? Don't give up on anything you do, Erlinda. And I hope you stay safe during these times because these are the times where we have to stay calm, right? Even if you're calm, you'll have to be more calmer, Erlinda. And I know you will be. I hope you take care and I hope your grands are safe too, Erlinda. Let them not go out. Let them stay calm also. Let them take care too. And Erlinda, I hope you drink warm water from time to time. Okay? Because it will keep your throat also warm, right? And say your grandmother also. Drinking warm water will keep you like it will keep you more warmer. I hope you take care of yourself and and I will always be there for you if ever you need me, Erlinda. And I will also let you know from time to time that I am there for you, okay? And I miss you a lot. Anyway, take care and when you get periods, Erlinda, please try to not get stressed and try to drink tea and try to breathe slowly, please. Everything will be okay, Linda. You have beaten it a lot of times, isn't it? So everything will be okay, Linda. Just take care, stay calm, and God is always there protecting everyone, and He will not destroy anything which He has created because He always protects the people, right? Take care and always be positive, Erlinda. Okay? And Erlinda, even if you even if you want me to be a mother, father, sister, a brother, I'm ready to do anything, Erlinda. Everyone is so lucky to have you in their lives. Your family is the most luckiest. They have a responsible, independent, strong, positive girl who knows what's her responsibilities, right? You have taught me a lot of things, Erlinda. I love your responsibility a lot. You do your work so properly. Hmm? I can talk about you so much, but I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk about it. Oh, and Linda, if you get pimples, please try to not get stressed. It's okay. You might feel uncomfortable. I know, Linda. Because you're growing up, right? Pimples will come, Linda. And I hope you're taking care of yourself. And I hope you eat properly, Erlinda. Even if you don't like something, you eat, Erlinda. Vegetables. You know, I I wish I could make you sit on me and feed you from my own hands like a father or a mother or whatever you wanted. I always want you to be safe, Erlinda, safe and good. I want your health to be always be good. And again, please don't try to be stressed if pimple comes, Erlinda. Try to apply cream and try to breathe in and out slowly. It might help you. That's why, Erlinda. And Linda, I hope your grands are safe wherever they are. Let them not go out again and again. Let them stay safe in home and let them be careful. And you also please be careful, Linda. Everything will be okay. And I want you to know it. And also, and it's okay to be stressed during this time. Right? It's okay, Linda. We just have to stay calm and be careful in whatever we do. And if your university started in Italy, I hope you come back home safely, Erlinda. Huh? I wish I could ask you every day after you would come back home from school. But I don't want to disturb you anymore. I don't want to disturb you and make you angry or stressed. I hope you are coming back home safely. And I hope you always stay positive and stronger, Erlinda. And sometimes you might feel you want to eat something outside. But Erlinda, I know you might feel that, but we have to control, right? Home food is the best food during this time, Erlinda. I don't want you to listen to me in anything I say, Erlinda, but I want you to know that being careful and being positive and being safe is the number one thing right now during this pandemic, right, Erlinda? I know you can be more stronger and I know you can be more positive. You just have to trust yourself, right? Breathe in and out whenever you feel stressed and always remember God if you ever feel stressed, Erlinda. He will always be there. That person will always help you. Always. He's always going to be there for you. And whenever you feel to talk to me, I'll always be there for you, Erlinda. Just stay calm and always be positive. And I hope your grands will always be good, Erlinda. And I hope they eat well too and let them take care of themselves as well as you. And have a good day, Erlinda, and take care of yourself, okay? And please be positive. That's all I want from you. Thank you. Erlinda, whatever you do is so innocent in my eyes. It's like I always feel that it's so beautiful and it's so innocent and it's so pure. I don't know why, but I love whatever you do. It's so innocent. I think that's the reason why I think of you like a little girl. And I love calling you little girl because you're so innocent. I love that innocence a lot of you. You make people so much better after you go into their lives.
Again, I wanted to say you long back that how I feel, but I did not say. But I felt today was a proper day to say, so I wanted to say. We have to stay positive, right? Linda, I hope your grants are taking care properly. Linda, and we have to stay positive, right? Linda, I hope your grants are taking care properly. Please try to not get stressed, and even if you get stressed, it's okay, Linda. But we have to stay calm, we have to stay united, right? We have to stay together, right? The whole world is facing it, and we have to beat it, right? Your grants will always be safe, Erlinda. I promise you this. Nobody will get anything because God is always protecting everyone, right, Erlinda? We do believe in God, right? Tell me. And I hope your grants eat properly too, Erlinda. Healthy, that too. And wherever you are, Erlinda, I hope you're fine and good. And I hope you stay always positive as you are and always stay stronger day by day as the day goes. And also your studies, Erlinda. I hope you are studying well. I don't know if in Italy colleges or university have started, but I hope whenever it starts, I hope you stay safe and come back home safely, Erlinda. Nothing will happen to anybody, Erlinda. Everything will be fine and it's going to be fine. God will always help everybody, right, Erlinda? We have to stay calm, Erlinda. We have to stay positive. We cannot do anything right now, but one day we all will survive and we will be better, Erlinda. I'm saying all this because I don't want you to become stressed, and I want to make sure that you don't be stressed about anything about what is happening, Erlinda. It kills me a lot when I think about it. And we have to look at the positivity. We have to look at the positivity always, right? Tell me. I hope you and your grands take care properly, Erlinda. And Erlinda, I hope you don't drink anything cold or anything, Erlinda, especially during this time, please. And I hope you're taking bath with warm water, please, Erlinda. Because being warm is the only it's the only best thing during this time, right, Erlinda? And taking bath in cold water it's not a good thing during this time. I hope you always stay warm, Erlinda, and tell your grands also to drink warm water again and again from time to time. It will keep them proper. It will give them more stronger. It will give them more strength, right? So tell them, Erlinda, and you also drink and you all be safe, Erlinda, and mainly be positive. That's all I want, Erlinda. It's okay if we sometimes become negative, but we have to stay positive, right? Then only we can feel better, right? And I know lockdown, it might make anyone feel sad or depressed. I know that, Erlinda. But I don't know about yours, but I want you to manage yourself. I know you can manage yourself, and I know you can be positive, and I know you will be even more stronger as the time goes by, Erlinda. During this type of time, we have to somehow make our minds that it will become proper and it will be proper, and we'll have to look at the positive things, right? Then only negativity will not come inside our mind. Then only everything will be proper, right, Erlinda? Tell me. Sometimes God puts challenges and we have to pass it, right? This challenge is something which the world is facing. We have to control our mind. We have to make our mind be positive always, Erlinda. Right, Erlinda? So the main thing is that we have to control our mind from not being sad or anything as much as possible. We can, there are news everywhere about something happening, but it might be sad, it might be happy, but the main point is that we have to stay positive no matter what the news is, right? Tell me, Arlinda. We have to be careful, and we have to stay calm. Try to stay calm. We might not stay calm, but we have to try, right, Arlinda? Tell me. We have to stay stronger, right, Arlinda? And we have to look at the positive things always, right? We might be negative, that's okay, that's completely human. But we have to stay positive as much as possible, right? I know we all will get through this, and I know you will get through this, and I know I will get through this. We all will get through this, Arlinda. It's just the bad times, and bad times never last, right? Being positive and being safe and being careful is the only thing that we all have to do, Erlinda. And let it not affect your mind. Okay, Erlinda? Try to breathe whenever you get stressed. Try to think of God and talk to him, Erlin. Talk to him or her. God, God is like, we don't know what's his gender, but he or she is so powerful that that person can make us feel so much better when we think about them, right? Talk to Merlita, like most of the times, like when I feel alone or when I feel bad, I think of God. It makes me a bit calmer than I was before. And I always feel good after thinking about God. And I know, and I'm just saying all this, Arena, because I don't want this lockdown, this coronavirus and all to affect your mind, because mind is the most important thing that will become negative if something bad happens, right? And I know you will be positive, and I know you will be stronger, Erlinda. You're a magic, Erlinda. So again, Erlinda, being calm is the only thing that we all have to do, and we will get through this, and everything will be fine one day, and one day sun will surely rise, and this bad things, whatever is happening, and it will surely end, and everyone will be safe, and everyone will get through this as always, and will always, and God is always protecting everyone. I hope you take care of yourself, Erlinda, and stay always positive and stay always strong. And your grandmother's also, Erlinda. Try to not worry much if your grands like if something negative happens. Try to not think about it much and try to be positive, because everything will be okay, Erlinda. And again, happy Daughter's Day, Erlinda. Everyone is lucky to have you in their lives, and I have always kept telling this, and I will tell you again, everyone is lucky to have you in your lives. And take care of yourself and take care of your grands and family as well, Erlinda. And study well, work on yourself, improve yourself, and be successful and achieve your dreams, Erlinda. Stay safe and take care, and believe in yourself and stay positive and stronger, and I know you will, Erlinda.